In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit gradients here in Canva. So I have this gradient just here. Now to edit this and change is really simple. All we have to do is click onto the image where the gradient is. Then if we click onto the little color icon, you'll find that in the bar along here. We then want to come over here to the left hand side and click on this little plus icon. Now before we do that, there is also default gradient colors which you can play around with to change as well. But to edit it, we're simply going to click on the little plus icon and then we have the gradient tab just here. Now we have the solid color and the gradient just like this. Now let's go back just like that. Let's re-click onto there. Now with this gradient, this is where you add the gradient colors. So if I don't want these, we can simply click on add a new gradient color. I can then choose the color that I want or add the hex code color in here and or pick a color from the canvas using this eyedropper. Now if I want that color, we can click off there, and if I don't want any of these, I can then simply click on the little cross icon where it says delete color. Now this only shows up when you have 3 colors here. But let me go ahead and delete the green one. Now we do also have different gradient styles. So if we click on one of these boxes, we can see that the gradient is going to change. We can have that style, or this style, this one, that one, and this one. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to edit a gradient here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.